S-Corp vs LLC. Should you choose an S-Corp status? If you are a business owner or just stepping into the entrepreneurial world and are puzzled about the difference between an LLC and an S-Corp, you are in the perfect spot. In today's video, I will explain what precisely an S-Corporation or S-Corp is all about. Before we get in, do me a favor. Hit that like button below. It helps me out and I appreciate your support. Now, understanding the benefits of an S-Corp is crucial. It goes beyond just basics. We'll explore how it can impact your tax situation and potentially save you some hard-earned cash. Next, we are exploring the benefits, complications, and potential drawbacks of choosing the S-Corp route. Knowing both sides of the coin is essential before making any decisions. But before I get too deep, here is a quick disclaimer. The information we are sharing is for learning purposes only. We are not handling out legal tax or financial advice here. Always chat with a certified accountant before making big decisions based on your hearing. Now that's covered, let me explore the world of S-Corp and simplify the whole process for you. Stick around as I discuss the ins and outs of this business classification. What is an S-Corp? An S-Corp is a tax selection that both LLCs and corporations can go for. However, for simplicity, we'll focus on LLC in this discussion. It's important to note that single or multi-member LLCs can choose to become S-corporations. In the context of LLCs, members are the owners, and it's crucial to understand that LLC members are not considered employees. Unlike traditional employees, LLC members cannot be treated as such. However, when an LLC elects to be taxed as an S-Corp, it introduces an interesting dynamic. This tax selection enables LLC members to receive both a salary and a distribution. The significant advantage is that wages and distribution within an S-Corp are subject to different tax treatment. This allows for a more exact and strategic approach to taxation for LLC owners who choose this classification. S-Corp and its benefits. An S-Corporation offers several advantages, and one standout benefit is the ability for LLC members to act as employees, receiving both a salary and distributions. This unique arrangement allows for strategic tax planning since salaries and distributions are subject to different tax treatments. Compared to the more traditional setups like sole proprietorship or partnership, S-Corps potentially reduce self-employment taxes. How? By splitting your income into a salary, hitting with payroll taxes and distributions, sailing smoothly past self-employment tax. It's like playing the tax game with a few extra cards up your sleeve. But wait, there's more. S-Corp brings a Sever Street cred. They are not just entities, they are perceived as the VIPs of the business world. The structured, established vibe can work wonders, especially when looking to make a mark or attract potential investors. Who doesn't want to be associated with success, right? And here's the juicy part. Tax savings through the qualified business income deduction. This isn't your everyday deduction. It's a game changer for eligible pass-through entities. S-Corp shareholders can potentially slash up to 20% of their qualified business income from their personal taxes. That's real money in your pocket, my friends. S-Corp and its drawbacks. When you have an S-Corporation, S-Corp, there are some not so great things you should know about. One of them is figuring out what's called a reasonable salary. This basically means the IRS, the tax authority, wants to make sure you are paying yourself a fair amount for the work you are doing in your own company. If you pay yourself too little, the IRS might get suspicious and start asking questions. And that's something you definitely want to avoid because it can be a hassle to deal with. Then having an S-Corp can be more complicated, especially when handling taxes, which can lead to needing more help from accountants. And guess what? More help means more money spent on professional services. Lastly, think about what you want to do with the extra money your business makes. If you plan to invest back into the company, having an S-Corp might not be the most brilliant move. It's not always the best choice to grow and improve your business with extra cash. If you want to learn more about this, check out the link in the description below. S-Corp. How to get the right decision. Let me break down the decision making process for choosing an S-Corp. The big thing to think about is whether you are making enough money to make it worth going for the S-Corp status. Here's the deal. If the money you get after paying yourself a fair salary is more than $10,000, then it might make sense to go through the steps of becoming an S-Corp. But it's not just about the numbers. Timing plays a crucial role. If your business is still in its infancy and you are unsure about the revenue it will generate, choosing the S-Corp might be premature to unleash the full potential of your business structure. In simple terms, it all boils down to the cash flow. If your profits look good, you can see that having an S-Corp thing for now. It's like saying, let's not dive into the S-Corp world until we know our business is bringing enough to make it worthwhile. Smart decisions start with knowing the numbers. As I wrap up my exploration of S-Corporations, it's crucial to grasp the balance between benefits and drawbacks. Understanding the advantages of an S-Corp, from tax flexibility to enhanced credibility, eliminates its potential for specific business structures. However, it's equally important to go through the tax complexity, acknowledging drawbacks like data mining, reasonable salaries, and increased operational intricacies. While we've touched on critical aspects, remember that the information provided is for educational purposes and unsuitable for professional advice. Always consult with a certified accountant or financial advisor for proper guidance. If this video sheds light on your S-Corp journey, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe for more valuable content. Your support fuels our mission to simplify complex topics for entrepreneurs and business enthusiasts alike. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time.